Do you have a VA compensation pension exam coming up? Not sure what to do, what to say? One of the best things a good representative could do for you is prep you for those exams. Welcome to VA Made Easy. I'm Ed Farmer, a VA accredited attorney and U.S. Army combat veteran. Today, I'm going to give you 6 tips of things not to do at your VA disability compensation and pension exam. If you're seeking some more individualized help, contact me at vetlawoffice.com. For now, let's get into it. Number 1, don't miss your exam. If you miss your exam without good cause, it's just going to cause you some issues down the road. Namely, you're probably going to get a denial. So if you know you can't make the exam, give the contractor who set up the exam a call, let them know you can't make it, and ask for another time. It may save you from having to go through the appeals process. The only time you should miss an exam is after an in-depth conversation with a VA accredited representative. Number 2, don't remain silent. I know many veterans go into these CMP exams and don't think that what they're going to say is going to change the outcome of their case. I don't think that could be farther from the truth. The VA examiners hold a lot of power. The VA relies on their opinions to make a determination on your case. So this is your chance to tell your story. Tell that examiner how you think your condition is related to service. Tell them the evidence you put in the file. Don't assume that they looked at anything before you went in there. Now is your chance to tell your story. The more information you can tell the examiner about your condition and how it's service related, the better off you'll be. Number 3, don't minimize your symptoms. Just like telling the story of service connection, if you're looking for a higher rating, don't minimize your symptoms. This is your chance to tell that examiner everything you're going through because of that condition. Now, I know it's difficult to talk about mental health conditions sometimes, especially to a stranger, but this is your opportunity. If you're depressed, 7 days out of the week, can't get out of bed, tell the examiner that. If you can't walk more than a few blocks because of your knee, make sure the examiner knows that as well. Number 4, don't forget to talk about occupational impairment. It's important that you tell the examiner how your condition affects you occupationally or affects you from completing your what they call activities of daily living. Give specific examples if possible. It's important to pad the record with information about how your condition affects your ability to work in case you later want to go for unemployability. Plus, some disabilities, their rating is based on how much that condition affects you occupationally, to wit, mental health claims take that into account. Number 5, don't exaggerate symptoms either. It's important to tell all your symptoms, but also, on the other hand, don't exaggerate. The examiners will know if you're exaggerating. They will put a note in file saying they think you're malingering, which just means they believe you're faking your condition. And that note will follow you around the rest of your time in the VA disability process. Once you lose credibility with the VA, it's hard to get it back. So do yourself a favor and don't exaggerate your symptoms. Number 6, don't wait idly by. After you complete the exam, that shouldn't be the end of it. Be proactive. Get a copy of that report. Review it. Is it factually accurate? Did the examiner note all of the symptoms? If not, that could be a bad exam and a basis to appeal and get you a new exam. Use VA Form 20-10206 to order a copy of that VA CMP exam. And lastly, don't go at it alone. Sometimes these cases can be complicated. They could be medically complicated, and you might not get what you need from the VA examiners. Get help. Find a VA accredited representative, such as yours truly, to help you build that evidence and help you get another medical opinion that can help you win your case. That does it, guys. If you have more questions, visit me at vetlawoffice.com. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing, and as always, you have the power to change your VA claim.